Teeth whiten at home in 3 minutes. How to whiten your yellow teeth naturally, 100% effective. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share with you an effective remedy. It's the best home remedy to get white teeth. First thing we need 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. I use Colgate toothpaste. One tablespoon of lemon juice. Then mix all the ingredients very well. Now brush your teeth with this paste for 2 minutes. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.